Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Wise account for US vendor payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Wise account for US vendor payments, start by navigating to the Wise website or opening the Wise app on your device. Log into your Wise account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, locate the settings option in your account dashboard. Click on Settings to access your account preferences. In the Settings menu, find the Account Verifications section. Click on Verify your identity to initiate the authentication process. You will be prompted to provide personal information for verification. Enter your legal name, date of birth, and address. Next, you'll need to upload identification documents. Acceptable forms of identification include a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Ensure your documents are clear and legible before uploading. After uploading your documents, click on the Submit button to send your verification request. Wait for a confirmation email from Wise regarding your identity verification status. Typically, the verification process takes a few business days. Once verified, you will receive a notification that your account is authenticated. Now, return to your account dashboard. Locate the Payments section to start making vendor payments. Select Send Money and choose the US as the destination country. Enter your vendor's details, including their email or bank account information. Input the payment amount and any reference details you wish to include. Review all the information to ensure accuracy. Click on Continue to proceed with the payment. Choose your funding source, whether it's a bank account or debit card. Confirm the transaction by clicking on the Send button. After your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email. Keep this email for your records, as it contains important details about the transaction. Congratulations, your Wise account is now authenticated for US vendor payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.